What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial for an unbelievable card trick. Let's do it. So this trick is by Cy Stebbins, and it's from the book Card Tricks and the Way They're Performed. It's labeled trick number 4 or trick 4, so I don't know what to tell you there. So this is trick 4. Now, before starting off the trick, you have to arrange the deck in a Cy Stebbins stack. If you guys don't know what that is, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can go check it out and see how it's done. But for those of you who have done it, let's continue. So I like to start off by giving the deck a false overhand shuffle, and I made a video on it on how you could do this with the entire, full deck. So you can go check that out if you don't know how to do that. And that just ensures, in the spectator's mind that there is no setup involved for this trick. Now, once that's complete, you can even give the deck to the spectator and have them give the deck a couple of cuts. Since it's already in a stack, the cuts will not matter. To have a card selected by a spectator, I like to give the deck a dribble. So now once that the card is selected, I put that face down on the table and point to it, because my entire goal is to actually look at the card that's right on top of the selected card. And the reason why this is important is because the Cy Stebbins deck is in an order. So the way to predict the next card is actually quite simple. All you have to do is know the order of the suits, so that's spades, diamonds, clubs, and hearts, and you'll know that the next card will be 3 more than the value of this card. So if you add 3 to 8, that's 9, 10, jack, so we know this is a jack. And in the order of spades, diamonds, clubs, and hearts, the next card that appears is clubs, so we know this is the jack of clubs without even seeing it. Okay, so we have that, we point to it, then we take this, put this away. Now we're going to take this card without anyone seeing it and place that right into the box immediately. And you can have the spectator do this as well so they don't think that you're viewing it in any way. So now from here, we're just going to go with a classic Magician's Choice. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of Magician's Choice, but it actually works quite well with this trick. I don't know why. I just seen it work really well with this, so I just go with it. And for those of you who don't know, you want to direct the spectator to picking the card that's in this box. So this is Jack of Clubs. You want to direct them towards selecting the Jack of Clubs. So you'd say black or red, black, clubs or spades. If they pick spades, you get rid of spades, you go with clubs. And you follow that all the way down until they get to the jack. This way, they're more involved in the trick, so you maximize your performance for the audience. And then again, you can have them take it out. Get them more involved. They take it out, they take a look at the card. It's a Jack of Clubs, and their mind is absolutely blown. So if you like this trick and want to see more tricks using the Cy Stebbins stack, you can click on this video right here. And if not, go add some magic in people's day. You never know who needs it. Peace out.